Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bruno Cohen, Chairman of the Galien Foundation.
Mesdames, Messieurs, chers amis, bonsoir et bienvenue. Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, welcome to the night for Industry Pride. I am Bruno Cohen, the chairman of the independent voice, the Galien Foundation. This is a night at the museum, a unique night that will mark a milestone in the history of your celebration. You, the innovators in the labs, and your colleagues who work tirelessly to give the very best access to your discoveries to the patient. And a memorable night, because for the first time, our honorary founding president, Elie Wiesel, is not with us. Elie Wiesel passed away on July 2nd. For more than 25 years, I shared the honor to be among his friends. Elie was my mentor, and he also was your fervent advocate, you, the tribe of the scientists. He had awareness of the incredible number of failures you have to overcome to develop a drug or a device. And he was conscious of the millions of lives you save every year and the hundreds of millions of individuals have their quality of life improved every day, thanks to your innovation.
André Malraux said once, in one of his novels, une vie humaine ne vaut rien, mais rien ne vaut une vie humaine. Human life is worth nothing, but nothing is worth a human life. All these men and women are trying to save human lives. Is there anything more noble than that? What do literature and medical research have in common? It's very simple. If a writer sits down to write a book, to make money, you may be sure that the book will not be a good book. If a medical researcher in a laboratory sits down to do research, to make money, that person is unworthy of his mission. The writer and the researcher do what they do because they believe in what they do.
You will find in your gift bag a copy of his book, Night. It is with great emotion that I announce that Mrs. Marion Wiesel is with us tonight. In the United States, the Prix Galien is considered as the equivalent for the Nobel Prize for the industry, thanks to the intellectual rigor of its committee. It is my privilege to introduce to you the Prix Galien USA Committee.
Richard Axel, Nobel laureate, co-director of the Kavli Institute for Brain Science at Columbia University Medical Center in New York. Michael S. Brown, Nobel laureate, Professor of Molecular Genetics and Internal Medicine at UT Southwestern Medical Center at Dallas.
Lori Glimsher, CEO and President, Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, Professor of Medicine, Harvard Medical School.
Joseph Goldstein, Nobel laureate, Professor of Molecular Genetics and Internal Medicine at UT Southwestern Medical Center at Dallas.
Robert S. Langer, David H. Koch Institute Professor at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Paul A. Marks, President Emeritus and Laboratory Head of Cell Biology at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York. Bengt Samuelsson, Nobel Laureate, former President of Karolinska Institute and former Chairman of the Nobel Foundation.
Mark Tessier-Lavigne, President, Stanford University, Stanford, California.
Roy Vagelos, Chairman of the Awards Committee, Chairman of Regeneron Pharmaceuticals, and retired Chairman and Chief Executive Officer at Merck.
Well, I know, Roy, I know your compliments are not your cup of tea, but still, I would like to thank you for your incredible leadership, making the Prix Galien so respected around the globe. Thank you very much, Roy. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of the Pavillon France, including the crème de la crème of the French startups in life sciences. They participated this morning in the Prix Galien Med Startup. Congratulations to the nominees and, of course, to the laureates. A special thanks to Henri Baissas and his dedicated team at Business France, and to Simon Mouyal for his support. The president of the jury of the Med Startup, Bernard Pousseau, is with us tonight. He has put together an incredible and outstanding jury.
Chairman Bernard Pousseau, Director Roche Holding, former Chairman and CEO Wyeth. Roch d'Oliva, Honorary CEO of UCB. Michael Dolston, Global R&D President of Pfizer. Jean-Pierre Garnier, former Global President GSK. Franz Humer, former Global President Roche. François Maison-Rouge, Senior Director of Evercore Partners. Paul Stoffels, Chief Scientific Officer, Johnson & Johnson. Elias Zerhouni, Global R&D President of Sanofi.
The Galien Foundation achievement have been made possible thanks to the precious sponsors, to our precious sponsors, corporate partners, organizations, and friends who share our value. It is my great pleasure to introduce them to you.
First off, the two platinum sponsors of the Galien Foundation are Alexandria, building the future of life, changing innovation, and Oracle Health Sciences, the leading provider of innovative technology solutions for the biopharmaceutical and healthcare industries. We would now like to acknowledge our leading corporate partners for their pioneering commitment to our mission. Johnson & Johnson, together we can transform patient care. And the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America. Furthermore, we proudly introduce our associate corporate partners. Accorda Therapeutics, whose chairman Ron Cohen with us tonight has been a great advocate of the Galien Foundation since the beginning. The Boston Consulting Group, shaping the future together. Boehringer Ingelheim, nurturing innovative ideas today for more health tomorrow. FTI Consulting, helping biomedical leaders communicate the value of innovation. Merck, be well, not a wish, a promise. Novartis, when science and passion connect, innovation happens. Pfizer, driven to discover the cure. The silver sponsors of the ceremony are Henry Schein, Invest Securities, Ksoft, the Pershing Square Foundation, Publicis Health, and Sanofi. And from Nutrafol, Sisley, and Gold Collagen, who wish to present you with some tokens tonight. We also wish to send a special thank you to our dear friends Arnaud Lacaze, Michael Parker, Letizia Parienti, and Lindy Barron for their commitment to the Galien Foundation. And of course, the dear friends at the United Nations, Josiane Ambil and Mariam Azarm. In like manner, we are extremely fortunate to work with outstanding media partners who have contributed to the Galien Foundation's renown, such as Fin Partners, FTI Consulting, and Makovsky, BioPharm Insight, BioCentury, Pharmaceutical Executive, PM360, and the Wall Street Journal. Jonathan Rockoff is in attendance this evening. Last, but certainly not the least, the advisory board members of the Galien Foundation. And a special thanks to Medio Digital for producing tonight's event.
Before giving the stage to two of our most unwavering supporters, Joe Marcus and Steve Rosenberg, I would like to point out that tonight there are no champions and losers. Tonight we will have only one winner, the patient. Thank you.